Today's video is going to be helpful and interesting for you all, and especially for those who are working women, students, and are those who have lots of responsibility of their home. Because in this video, I am going to share a very easy tips, tricks, and ideas which save lots of your time when you will stand for cooking. Watch my complete video because definitely you are going to find a great help in your cooking. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Starting with the first preparation, caramelized onion are a great addition in many recipes. They aren't tricky, but they do take time to make. Everyone knows how to caramelize onion, but you don't have to turn it here in a golden brown color. Just soften an onion very nicely. You just have to keep one step away from where it changes its color. While making caramelized onion, add in little bit of salt so it will help onion to caramelize faster. And when you have a ready caramelized onion in your hand, it saves lots of your time. You can easily keep well in the refrigerator for about 15 days. And when it's done, let it cool and transfer this into an airtight container. You can also use stainless steel container because when food is oil based, you should go with stainless or glass container. And when you want to make any recipe, just heat up a little bit of oil, add in whole spices, add this onion, just stir it for a few seconds and start making your recipe. Second preparation is Tam Chutney, which is very much in demand during Ramadan. This chutney goes in chaat, samosa, kachori, pakori. You can store this imli ki meaty chutney in an airtight bottle in the refrigerator and it lasts well for 4 to 5 months. Soak the 1 cup of tamarind in warm water for 15 minutes. Take sieve. With your hands, squeeze the pulp from the tamarind. Add 2 cup grated jaggery into it. Keep the pan on a medium flame. Add in pinch of salt, red chili powder, roasted cumin powder, give it a nice mix, simmer it until the consistency thickens. When it cooled, store the chutney in an airtight dry bottle, jar or container. I am using this kind of bag, refrigerate and serve whenever required. Third preparation is marination of chicken. It's not just only enhance flavor, add extra moisture, but also save time. With this marinated chicken, you can make pizza toppings, samosa, rolls, and it could be used in so many recipes. In one bowl, add all spices. If you want to see its marination in detail, you can see my video link I'll share in description. Because I am marinating here two types of chicken and storing it. Store this marination in airtight container or you could use this kind of ziploc bag to store. You can try different recipes for marination. This you can freeze and store up to 1 month. Fourth preparation is add soak moong dal in a mixer jar. Add into it some spices like ginger garlic paste, coriander powder, cumin powder, black pepper powder, garam masala powder, coriander leaves, green chilies, some chaat masala. Add in a little bit of water and make paste of it and transfer this into an airtight container. Store this batter into a freezer. With this batter, you could make Mongal Pakori. And when you want to use this batter, just remove it from the freezer, thaw it, and add in some chopped onion. If you find the batter is thin, then you could add 1 or 2 tablespoons besan flour. Otherwise, no need. With this, you can make nice crispy moong dal pakori and save your time. Moving on to the next preparation, you could boil kabuli chana, black chana, dry green peas and store this in airtight container or in ziploc bag and you could save your time. If this boiled chana is ready with you, you could easily make chaat or any recipe with it. During Ramzan, this chana chaat is very popular in everyone's house, so it would be very helpful for you. Next preparation is sixth preparation. You can make a premix of kheer. Just wash around 1 cup of rice, dry it in a sunlight. When it's dried up nicely, I have added here 4 green cardamom, then coarsely crush and remove it in a bowl. Add powdered sugar. I will suggest here grind green cardamom with sugar. Actually mistakenly I have grinded with rice. Then add milk powder to it. Add 1 tablespoon custard powder. Dry roast some dry fruits like almonds, cashew nuts, walnuts, raisin. Add in it, mix it well and transfer this into an airtight container and keep this into a refrigerator for at least 2 to 3 months. And when you want to make kheer of it, just add 2 tablespoons of this premix into a 1 liter of milk and really it makes wonder. Moving on to the next preparation is boil noodle and store this at least for 5 to 7 days. It would also be very helpful for you. And if you want to know how to boil noodles and how to make noodle, so watch my video, link you will get in description. And I must tell you this is one of the best noodle recipe. You can also cut some veggies like carrot, capsicum, cabbage and store it in airtight container or use these Ziploc bags. This veggies goes in so many recipes, so if you have already cut veggies in your hand, it makes work very easy. Moving on to the next preparation, that is you could store lemon juice not only in Ramzan but also in regular days. It really helps in regular days as well. I always have this bottle of lemon juice ready with me for marinating chicken or fish. No need to cut lemon so many times. Sometimes we use half lemon and half lemon goes wasted. So better squeeze lemon, add in some salt and transfer it in a one bottle and store in refrigerator. And you can keep this for 5 to 6 months easily. I have already finished half of this bottle. I am just showing you because I wanted to share with you. The most important thing you can make and freeze is ginger garlic paste. This is the most required thing in the house. I am making and freezing here ginger garlic paste as well as ginger garlic chili paste. You can keep this in a freezer at least for 1 to 2 months, and whenever you want to use, just remove it from the freezer, keep in a refrigerator, let it thaw and then use. The next preparation, you could also cut almonds, pistachio and cashew nuts and store in refrigerator. Here I have prepared only almond. Just soak almond into the water and peel its skin. Then dry it in the sunlight. When it's dried up completely, store it in an airtight container or in a Ziploc bag. This is also very useful during Ramzan. In so many desserts, we have to garnish with dry fruits, so we can use this. And you can keep this in a refrigerator at least for 1 to 2 months. Next preparation is you can make crispy fried onion, which is also very useful. You can make quick biryani with this. With this fried onion, you can make lots of recipe. So store this too in airtight container in a refrigerator. And this you can keep at least for 2 months. During Ramadan, we make dessert also so many times. For that, you can beat whipping cream and store it in the refrigerator. We can use in so many dessert recipe. You can keep this at least for 5 to 7 days. And if you want to know how to beat perfect whipped cream, link you will get in the description. And you will never get struggle with whipping cream after watching my video. Because in that video, I have cleared all the doubts. So you must watch that video. With this idea, I am ending my video, and if you find my video is interesting, give a like to my video, and if you want me to make more such video, comment below. I'll come up with some new ideas and show some love and support to my video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.